up, you guys, and welcome back to another video. For today I'm going to be trying to fix my hood. As you guys can see, on the edges of the cowl hood, it's been cracking for the past two years. And although I don't really know how to work with this stuff, Bondo, I've never actually done it. I'm not a professional, but I have been looking at YouTube videos, so I'm gonna shoot my shot and try it out. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. As you guys can see in front of the hood, there's a little dent, and then obviously the crack from the cowl hood. Like I said, I don't really know how to do this, but I've been looking at videos on YouTube, so I'm gonna be trying my best. And if I can't fix it with Bondo, I'm gonna be trying fiberglass because obviously that's stronger. But first I gotta see how it reacts to this, if it's still gonna crack or not. I'm gonna leave it in the sun to just see if it cracks, because it would crack either with the sun or just with movement, because I had a static drop. And I don't know if you guys are familiar, but static drops are just not good for the road. Obviously you jump a lot, and then with bumps and little potholes, it's just horrible, and it just damages the hood. And for these components right here, for the AC compressor, and the AC in general, I'm gonna be cleaning them up and having them as clean as I can, take off as much dirt as possible and any dust as well, and get them clean, get them dry, and then start painting them. Like I said, most of my videos, I do want stuff to look at least semi-new, or just better than how it was before. And that's gonna be pretty much it for today, guys. I did spend most of my time, working on the hood, sanding because of, the Bondo. But once I got this, whole assembly installed, I did have other stuff to do, so that's pretty much it. And like I said before, we're almost close to seeing the truck done. I do have all the parts for the motor, like the gaskets, mainly the gaskets, the rod bearings, the piston rings, what else, new water pump, and I think that's pretty much it. The head cylinders, I already have them here ready to get them installed. But before we do all that, get into the whole engine, I'm gonna try and work with the fuel lines. The whole fuel line system, the brake line system is already installed. I just need the fuel line system. I don't know if the gas tanks from the donor truck actually work. The ones for my truck, I did throw them away because, as you guys know, the original plan was to get a fuel cell, and then get an inline fuel pump with fuel filters. So that's for the next video. If it doesn't work out, I am gonna get a fuel cell and then look into fuel pumps and fuel filters. So with that being said, thank you guys for tuning in one more time, and I'll see you guys on the next one.